Interface was founded in 1968 by visionary and entrepreneur Richard F. Karras. He believed that if you designed and built dependable, quality, and accurate products, you would also build a sustainable company that will last generations. His passion is what led Interface to becoming the world's largest producer of low-profile load cells, sustaining his legacy and commitment to design products that revolutionize industries around the world. When it comes to building products that last, we are adamant about control and quality throughout the entire process. Every stage, from design engineering, machining, strain gauge manufacturing and assembly, our team works to ensure the highest degree of performance possible for everything we manufacture. We are dedicated to our customers, ensuring our extensive line of multi-axis sensors, miniature load cells, instrumentation, accessories, custom solutions, OEM products and engineered-to-order designs. At Interface, our core differentiator is precision. We are well known for providing high accuracy and innovative solutions, engineering excellence, and quality products. We are a key leader for our other additional differentiators as well. We make our own self-temperature compensated strain gauges from our exclusive proprietary alloy. All load cells are creep tested to the tightest specification in the industry. Interface performs more than 100,000 calibrations every year in the world's largest calibration lab. Our low-profile load cell is moment compensated to minimize sensitivity to extraneous loads. Interface's gold standard calibration system is the industry gold standard for test and measurement. Interface is the only major load cell company offering a comprehensive system for customers to calibrate their own load cells. Interface low-profile load cells are individually calibrated and tested through a series of performance tests before it leaves our facility. Interface calibrations are NIST traceable, and our lab has A2 law accreditation for both load cell and torque sensor calibration. Interface can modify and customize force measurement solutions, delivering the broadest variety of available options in the industry. To learn more about our dedicated team and the Interface story, visit our website or give us a call. And remember, Interface is built to last.